There are three important keys to understanding Himalayan art. These keys have only really been looked at in the last 20 years or so, um, and they can also be called the three secrets to understanding Himalayan art or the three mysteries. And they're not that complicated. They've just not been talked about, and they've not been formulated, they've not been organized. So, the first is the first key is something that we've already talked about in a video, and it's the four compositional types. Understanding the four compositional types, you understand a very general chronology also of paintings over the last 1,000 years. The second key is number sets, and understanding number sets is how you understand what are the main subjects found in art. And then the third key is painting sets itself. How painting sets are constructed, how big they are, whether it's a singular composition or whether it's a painting set of 3, 5, 7, 11, or 25 paintings, that often depends on the number sets. So, right now we'll talk about the number sets. Buddhism is full of different types of lists, and these lists are often numbered, and they're sequential. You memorize them in a sequential way. But also for art, we have number sets, and for iconography, we have number sets. Knowing the number sets is the easiest method for learning and memorizing the different groups of teachers, combinations of deities, mandala configurations, and really there's kind of two types. We have sort of common general number sets, but then we have very specific number sets that may belong only to a tantric cycle, or they belong only to a religious tradition like Sakya or Gelug or Nyingma or Bön. So the most common number sets that everybody knows are generally the different types of Buddhas, which we've talked about, such as the Buddhas of the three times, the five Buddhas of the directions or symbolic Buddhas, etc. 35 confession Buddhas, 1,000 Buddhas of this eon. But we also have the three lords of the world, Manjushri, Avalokiteshvara, Vajrapani, with the four guardian kings. We have the 8 medicine Buddhas. We have the 6 ornaments and 2 excellent ones of the southern continent, which are the great Indian panditas and scholars, Nagarjuna, Aryadeva, Asanga, Vasubandhu. We have the 8 forms of Padmasambhava. We have the 21 Taras, Padmasambhava and the 25 disciples. And we have the 84 Mahasiddhas. And for the 84 Mahasiddhas, we have 5 common types, which are different. So we have 5 systems of the 84 Mahasiddhas. So understanding the number sets is absolutely essential and one of the 3 main keys or secrets to understanding Himalayan art.